type of mod. What's up guys? So today I'm going to be telling you the first 5 modifications you should do to your V1 CTS-V, which is the years from 2004 to 2007. First thing I would have to say is this car has a really crappy rear. Like, they come from the base model V6 CTSs. This thing comes with a LS2 or LS6. All that torque is just going to grenade your rear. Freaking race right now. I would either recommend what I have is a 488 or anything else. Anything bigger obviously is going to be better. That's what she said for this car. But the 488 is solid. It's probably good for about 1,000 horsepower. I have a 488 and it's been treating me well. Another thing that I would recommend for a modification for the CTS-V is you have to get a tire or something, because I had the stock 245 40s I think, and this thing was like a drift missile. Like, I swear, like, it would spin everywhere. You couldn't shift or anything. Now I have these Nitto NT05s, 275 40 18s, and they do great. Like, it's kind of rainy out and we barely spin. So I would definitely recommend getting a tire, because you don't want to spin, man. Another thing you have to do, I haven't done it yet personally because they're just kind of expensive. You can either do a 5-lug swap to get better wheels, better wheel selection, but these cars come stock with a 6-lug. It's like 6x115, which is a crazy weird. That's for like trucks. I don't know why GM did that. I haven't really read up much on it. I would get new wheels just to make it look better. I mean, these wheels aren't terrible. If you're going for more aesthetics, these wheels have to go. But if you want to go on the cheaper side and stay with these wheels, I just got these powder coated black. They come in like chrome, like gunmetal, and I don't think they come in black, but the black really sets it off a little bit better. These are kind of dirty right now, all the brake dust. I haven't driven the car in a minute. It actually sets the car off a little bit better. You have that like black on black type of feel. Another thing is the engine. Now the LS6 and LS2, if you're fine with like power, it's got great torque, it's got great everything, but if you want to go the extra mile and if you want to make power out of these cars, you definitely have to do some engine mods. I recommend supercharger, turbo, or something. If you want to stay naturally aspirated, definitely can, but these cars definitely wake up with any engine modification. We got full bolt-ons on here and this thing woke up with a tune. And if you guys want to do anything else like boost, that's the way to go. These cars respond great. They're an LS car. They respond great with any type of mod. So if you want to go faster, get yourself some engine mods, man. Now another thing is the exhaust. Now my favorite part of this car definitely has to be the exhaust. Like a V8, if you see any of my videos, if you have a V8, you have to let them bald eagles scream, guys. Because, I don't know, it's just the sound, I don't know, it just makes your presence more like known. So, I mean, you're rolling up in this grandpa looking Cadillac and then you have this growl of this American V8. You just can't beat it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's a quick little video. CTS V1s, they're very underrated in my opinion, because they have a few like hiccups that they have, but once you get all that stuff fixed, this car can be actually a great car. But comment, rate, subscribe, guys. I'll see you in the next one.
God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping.